as there were few technical difficulties. With the divine blessings of His Holiness, Jagat Guru, Padma Bhushana, Dr. Shri 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 Bala Gangadharanath Mahaswami Ji, Shri 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 Dr. Nirmala Nandanath Mahaswami Ji, President of Shri Adi Chunchanagiri Shikshana Trust, Shri Shri Dr. Prakash Nath Swami Ji, Managing Director of BGS and SJB Group of Institutions and Hospitals. This is me, Pratiksha Sheth of Class 7B, your host for the wonderful National Science Day event today. I would like to extend my warm-hearted welcome to our Chief Guest, Dr. T.V. Ramachandra, Coordinator of Energy and Wetland Research Group, IISc. I would like to welcome our Academic Director, Sir, Dr. S.A. Nair, Principal Ma'am, Srimati Shrikala G. Kumar, Vice Principal Ma'am, Srimati Savita Suvarna, Headmistress, Srimati Pushpa D. Hegde, Coordinators, our lovely teachers, and of course, our dear audience. Equipped with his five senses, man explores the entire universe around him and calls the adventure science. With this note, let the celebration of science begin. To start off, a special celebration like this cannot commence without an invocation song, right? So, I would like to call upon Adib, Samriddhi, Nidhi, Nishita, Shruti, Bani and Bhuvi to sing a melodious invocation song and to invoke the Almighty's blessings.
Take the mic.
Nobel Prize Bharat Ratna winning physicist, Dr. C.V. Raman. Now, I would like to request our dignitaries to do the honor of lighting the lamp to spread the light of knowledge, just like the sun's rays on all of us. And also do the honor of garlanding the portrait of C.V. For a graceful dance performance.
शिव शंभो स्वयं शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयं शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयं शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो 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 गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो
Thank you, friends, for such an astonishing dance performance. Oh, I did welcome you all, but that surely isn't enough. A formal welcome is just perfect. And for that, I would like to request our respected Principal Ma'am for the welcome address.
Jai Shri Gurudev. A very good morning to one and all present here. Wish you all a very happy National Science Day. Service to mankind is service to God has been the vision and mission of the founder President, His Holiness Jagat Guru Padma Bhushana Dr. Shri 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 Balagangadhara Natha Mahaswamiji. With the divine blessings of Shri Balagangadhara Natha Mahaswamiji, Shri 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 Dr. Nirmalananda Natha Mahaswamiji, President Shri Adi Chunchanagiri Shikshana Trust, Shri Shri Dr. Prakash Natha Swamiji, Managing Director, VGS Group of Institutions and Hospitals, I take this opportunity to do the welcome address on the happy occasion of the National Science Day celebration with the theme Future STI, which highlights the future impact of science, technology and innovation in the field of education, skills and work. The occasion which commemorates the discovery of Raman effect by Sir Chandrasekhara Venkat Raman. For his discovery, Sir C.V. Raman has awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930, and this day also signifies the important contribution of science, scientists and scientific progression in our life. Science provides new inventions and discoveries which are very essential for the day-to-day life and the progress of a country. On this occasion, first and foremost, we extend a hearty welcome to the chief guest of the day, Dr. T.V. Ramachandra Sir, Coordinator, Energy and Wetland Research Group, Center for Ecological Science, Center for Sustainable Technologies, Center for Infrastructure, Sustainable Transportation and Urban Planning, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Dr. T.V. Ramachandra obtained PhD in Ecology and Energy from the Indian Institute of Science. During the past 20 years, he has established an active school of research in the area of energy and environment. He is a member of Karnataka State Audit Advisory Committee. He was a member of Karnataka State Level Environment Expert Appraisal Committee appointed by the Ministry of Environment and Forest, a member of Western Ghats Task Force appointed by the Government of Karnataka. He is a recipient of Joni Biosphere Award for Ecology and Environment, Sadish Dhawan Young Scientist Award of Karnataka State Government, and the Best NPIS Award, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, and recently Namma Bengaluru 2016 Award by Namma Bengaluru Foundation. Congratulations, sir. He is an elected fellow of the National Institute of Ecology, Indian Association of Hydrologists, Institution of Electrical Engineers, Institution of Engineers, and Senior Member of IEE USA 2000 and Association of Energy Engineers again USA 2000. Dr. T.V. Ramachandra's research interests are in the area of energy systems, renewable energy, energy conservation, energy planning, aquatic ecosystems, biodiversity, ecological modeling, geoinformatics, environmental engineering, education research and curriculum development at the tertiary level. He has taken initiatives through biannual symposium, training programs and workshops for capacity building at various levels. Details of research, environment, education and outreach program. Sir, we are indeed very honored by your gracious presence today and we request Academic Director Sir to honor Dr. T.V. Ramachandra. To welcome the Research Associates and its correct encouraging platform from all the research associates. It's a hearty welcome Miss Vani, Miss Asulaba, Miss Sinsi. Miss Aslaba, Miss Sinsi, the research associates. We extend a hearty welcome to all these associates. And dear audience, who are the shining stars of the day? We are very happy to welcome the winners of Lake Conference 2016 from various schools such as and I call. Please stand up and give a big round of applause to all these wonderful kids and their teachers. The winners of Lake Conference 2020 from various schools such as ACS Magnolia Bharati School, Purna Ramadi School, Vidyanjali School, Residency School, New Horizon School and BDS National Public School. See children, this is the encouragement you are getting from all the wonderful teachers. We congratulate all these children for your active participation and winning the title Sakyatri Young Ecologist of Lake 2020. We welcome all the teachers from the various schools who are the inspiring source of all these budding scientists. We also welcome all the parents who are the source of support for all the children in all their activities. A hearty welcome to all the audience who are the well-wishers of our institution. Children, this is a platform where you need to imbibe some of the culture which you are getting during your school life. Let such a platform be an inspiration for you to do the projects, to do the experiments, to come up in life. Always remember, school days are the precious days where you will be encouraged by your parents as well as the teachers. So, make use of such opportunity. So, a warm appreciation to the Department of Science of BDS National Public School for organizing such an encouraging platform for all the children as well as the teachers to come up in life with their future successful endeavors. So wish you all a very happy, memorable day. And dear children and dear teachers, wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. So wish you all once again a happy National Science Day and a fantastic, fruitful year ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the warm welcome. Now, I would like to request our beloved chief guest Dr. T.V. Ramachandra, to share his valuable knowledge and teachings with all of us. Essential to know the significance of any event, festival or celebration. This delightful event, celebrated on 20th of February every year, has a significance too. Why is National Science Day celebrated? What is the history behind it? To answer all of these questions and for the significance of the day, we have Shaurya Aditya of class 9G.
With the divine blessings of His Holiness, Padma Bhushan, Shri 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 Dr. Balagangadhar Nath Mahaswamiji, Shri 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 Nirmalananda Nath Mahaswamiji, Shri Shri Dr. Prakash Nath Swamiji, respected academic director sir, chief guest of the day sir T.V. Ramachandra, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am and one and all present here. I have been given the opportunity to present the significance of the day to you all. National Science Day is celebrated on the 28th of February every year all across India. Why is the color of the sea really blue? Because of the discovery of the answer to this question, National Science Day is celebrated. Once, the famous Indian physicist, Sir C.V. Raman, was on a ship on his way home from London when a question struck him. Why is the color of the sea really blue? He wasn't convinced by the notion that the sea was blue because of the sky's color. So, after various experiments, Sir C.V. Raman submitted the theory that came to be known as the Raman effect or the Raman scattering in the year 1928 of February. The Raman effect explains the change in the wavelength of light when it is deflected by molecules. The Raman effect is used in the field of spectroscopy to find the structural fingerprint of different molecules. Sir Raman, for his contribution in the field of science, was awarded the Nobel Prize in the year 1930, becoming the first Asian to receive the Nobel Prize in the field of physics. By celebrating the National Science Day, we show our respect to the great Indian physicist for his contribution in the field of science. Due to the advancement and inventions in the field of science and technology, we have today the digital devices and methods by the help of which we are able to continue our schools online during this corona pandemic. On top of that, we are able to get the daily essentials by ordering and also by using the digital payment system. The science has helped us in continuing with our daily activities, even during the coronavirus pandemic. From the past 1 year, the world has been suffering from the coronavirus pandemic, and scientists all over the world are trying to make better vaccines. Our Indian scientists have put in a lot of effort, and after months of hard work have come up with two of the best vaccines, Covaxin by Bharat Biotech and Covishield by Serum Institute. We should be thankful and give our Indian scientists a huge round of applause for their achievement, as vaccinations have already started from 16th January 2021, and India is also helping other countries by giving the vaccines. I think science shouldn't be celebrated as just one day, as science is present in our daily lives and is present in almost every activity that we do. I would like to end this with a quote from Sir C.V. Raman. I am the master of failure. If I will never fail, then I will never learn. Thank you.
This year has definitely marked its place in history, and despite of all of the chaos running around, we have managed to make this academic year really fruitful. We have adapted to such vast changes like attending online school and classes from the comfort of our homes. Oh, how education is revolving around technology. Now let's have a glimpse of this year through an annual report presentation. Let's have a look at the video. On to online mode, the science department successfully conducted all rounds of Science Quest and carried out so many other tasks in a remarkable way, just to keep up the zeal and develop scientific temper in their students. Thank you, Science Department, and thank you for the video. Science is a boon, it's developing soon. Human merits with moon steady, a typhoon, bright futures coming soon, cause science is a boon. What did I just do now? I rap. And that brings us to our next event. We have Amoga JR, Kavya Dash, Sparsha Swaroop and Janvi Kulkarni of class 8E who are here to rap on science.
Warm regards to academic director sir, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, Headmistress ma'am, our beloved chief guest and all the parents and teachers present here. Today, me Amogha Jr. and my friends from 8E are going to perform a rap on science. Our song is about a 10th grade pass out. She is facing the same dilemma which we all face after 10th grade, which is to choose between commerce, science and arts. And then through the rap, she expresses her love for science. And well, the three branches of science, chemistry, physics and biology, where physics is played by Sparsha, biology is played by me and chemistry is played by Janvi, and Kavya is the 10th grader. So they are trying to compete to win her heart. So which is the subject that wins her heart and which one will she choose? Let's find out.
Each having its own legacy. Biology, geography, one, but chemistry is less than that. If I have to consider among the three, what you have to take, let us see. High in physics, as all the things we read in the app. If you're mistaken, I'm not a cause, because I am the study of the whole universe. If Einstein is a Newton Faraday, generally you're getting first to see the Milky Way. Some of the names that I can say, and many others will make your mind blow away. You should pick me from among the three, as there are many things you can do with me, from associates to developers, from high school teachers to engineers. I'm the solution to all your fears. I'm going to take all your fears. There are many scientists with me. There are many scientists with many laws, each being perfect without any flaws. Newton, Pascal, Archimedes are a few, and many others who you already knew. There are so many things you can learn with me, like the sailing boat on the eternal sea, mechanics that are both quantum and classical, thermodynamics quantities that are physical, astronomy, optics and thermodynamics. Let's not forget the precious nuclear physics. Therefore, the greatest among the three. You will never be bored if you stay with me, and that I will tell you with full guarantee.
Hi, I'm Balaji, the best of the best, superior and easier compared to the rest. With me, you study about the animals and plants, from giant shelving trees to tiny little ants. It all starts with the great Robert Hooke. Welcome God says, took a long look, used a microscope and took his time. So the cell is smaller and thinner than a dime. The number of things that you learn from me is from 10 to 1000 to infinity, zoology, botany and anatomy, genetics, ecology, microbiology. There is no sign of apology, and the most you can learn out of this unity. Pushpa Legerman and Chakravin, Aristotle, Shana and Matheslieben were a few among my cherished men from an extremely long list of very wise men. The things you can do with me are countless. You can only think, only guess. It will make you a teacher or a scientist, or even an eminent biotechnologist. You only have to choose to stay with me, be my disciple, my devotee. With me you can explore limitlessly. You will then realize effortlessly that I am the greatest among the three.
Hi, I'm Physics. We as a nerd, who went to his class all eagerly wait. If you learn about the compounds and elements or through a variety of specific experiments, Professor Avogadro, Dr. C.V. Raman, Mandela Choose comes from Mr. John Dalton, and so many such other award winners, numbers that I cannot even count on my fingers. The potential you have with me is countless. The respect I gain will leave you speechless. It ranges from a teacher to a scientist, a chemical engineer to a pharmacist. Search for opportunities you can't resist and all that you can wish for in your bucket list. That sort of vinegar that look like, and your regular chores that will surely utilize.
gain from me will always be handy and useful to thee. The periodic table, as you can see, is the most important part of me. The elements are arranged by the property, then only is understood properly. The elemental symbol cannot be broken down like the nitrogen present in your very long. Believe me, I can be interesting. Can't stop pleasing me if you start expressing. Because compared to me, the other two are truly boring.
The values we learn from sunsets are memorable. Don't forget them. Never be so impossible to have him beside you, or never be curious. To learn from your mistakes, never be furious. First you will dream of becoming much better. Slowly possible or dream them together. Because only then will we all be unstoppable, and to defeat us, nobody will be capable.
The tune has been composed by Kavya and Jambi, and the PPT has been made by
Thank you, friends. That was a mind-blowing rap. This year has come with many accomplishments and accomplishers. We have one such achiever among us today, Prajwal NH of Class 8. I would like to welcome Prajwal to come onto the stage and share his achievements.
To one and all present here, and a very, very happy National Science Day. Today is the 27th of February and tomorrow we are celebrating National Science Day. So before I begin my talk or my keynote, I would just like to introduce myself with my story. Well, I am a young innovator and also a dream entrepreneur, and I'm also currently a co-founder of an emerging startup called Cloud Attack. My name is Prajwal NH. I am a young innovator, a dream entrepreneur, and also I am here to share my experience and my lessons throughout this innovative journey of mine. Number one, you don't know what you don't know. Well, this is a very famous quote and it may sound funny to some people, but the reality is the meaning of this quote is very, very deep. You don't know what you don't know means a lot. It tells us the reason why some people are successful and some people are not. It tells us the reason behind luck and bad luck. It tells us the reasons and answers to so many of our questions. Well, you don't know what you don't know basically means if you don't know something about a topic, if you don't know the topic exists at all, then it is human psychology that you are not going to learn it. You're not going to go in deep and study about that topic. And as Sir also mentioned, in his entire speech, there were a lot of topics that were covered, such as how to deal with waste management, etc. If we were not present here, then we would have never known about that topic and at the same time had never done research after going home. Next, every opportunity is a problem. So every problem is an opportunity. Find opportunities in every problem you see because India is a developing nation. There are problems everywhere and rather than getting angry on them and thinking, oh no, there is a problem and just ignoring it, do something about it. Make it an opportunity because all problems some way or the other are an opportunity. For giving an example, potholes are a major problem of India. And we all face them. Many of you would have faced them while coming to school. But let's see how many of us would have actually noticed this as a problem. Most of us get angry. But if we convert this one problem into an opportunity, it can make wonders. That is something that I did. I devised an app called as FixMe, which reports these potholes to the government. How I came across this? A leisure round with my dad on a two-wheeler, and I faced too many potholes, saw the problem and thought of converting it into an opportunity. The second point is, if opportunity doesn't knock on your door, it means you don't have one and you've got to build it. A door. What do I mean by a door? This means that if you don't do your tasks properly, if you are not hard working, then it is known that opportunity is not going to knock at your door because you don't have one. Build the door before searching for the opportunity and wait for it to knock. Once it is, then you have the world to you. At the same time, to invent something, all you need is your imagination and a pile of junk. This is a very famous quote by Albert Einstein. All you need is your imagination and you can make wonders. That is what innovation is all about. You don't need resources, you don't need specific costly resources, but all you need is a pile of junk, and with your imagination you can make wonders out of it. And there's also one more point that I noticed through this journey. The difference between successful people and others. And this is all related to opportunity. Successful people make the best use of their opportunity, and if they don't find any, they make it themselves. Whereas other people wait for the opportunity to come, and when it comes to them, they make a mess out of it. And then the third point is be curious. As Stephen Hawking rightly mentioned, look up at the stars and not down at your feet, and think why the universe even exists, and stay curious. Being curious means asking questions. Ask why, ask how, ask what. By asking these questions, you get some data. As Sir also mentioned, data is very, very important for some idea to get prominence in the society. Data is a boon. It is the most powerful thing in the world that currently exists. Well, if you're curious, then you can find answers to all of your questions. These answers can give you opportunities, and through these opportunities you can make wonders. And this is one more slide that I think has a lot of meaning to it. The difference between a boss and a leader. Well, in the boss picture, if you can see, there's a man sitting on his mission and commanding the 3 employees to carry this entire mission to its goal. Whereas a leader is helping out his employees along with leading them and carrying the mission forward. Well, in the long term, the leader's mission would have reached the destination much before the boss. And this is reality. Be a leader. And that is what I believe too. In a company, there should be no bosses, no employees. In a foundation or in an organization, there should be no higher or lower authority. All there should be or exist should be leaders. Each one, when a leader, has a responsibility to execute. And when he has a responsibility, he becomes successful. Don't expect and rather trust. This means that expecting someone is both a burden on you and the person whom you are expecting on. Rather, trust that person. Trusting that person gives him responsibility and he thinks you are more humble. You give him an opportunity when you trust him, and he makes the best use of the opportunity and tries to save your trust. Also, expecting someone means he may or may not fulfill your expectations. But when you trust someone, it becomes his responsibility to save your trust. Boredom, your most powerful tool. Most of us would be thinking this is a peculiar slide. But this is, I think, boredom is the most strongest or the most functional state of mind a man can be in. Boredom. What do we do in boredom? We do nothing, and that is the point. As a fact, I would like to tell all my innovations that I've made till now, all the ideas I've generated, I've got them when I was bored. Why? Because when you are bored, your mind thinks in a different aspect. When you're doing something, you concentrate on it. When you're bored, you think about everything else around you. You see some things that were never visible to you before. And that is why, be bored. It's not always important to keep yourself occupied. Sometimes just say, do nothing and be bored and think. Because while boredom, that is what your brain is definitely going to do. The next point is time is money. Well, this means that if you're saving your time, you're indirectly or directly saving your money. Well, this doesn't mean saving your time doesn't mean you're not going to watch movies, you're not going to see or do what you love, you're not going to go down to play. No. It means learn. Learn in all scenarios, in all aspects, and make the best use out of that time. If you're seeing a movie, don't see it for the sake of time pass, because time pass never exists. Rather, learn something from it, because then you can convert that time that you spent on that movie into money later on. Thank you. This is me, Prajwal and Ned, signing off.
Presentation. Ask school has kept all of us very occupied by conducting so many competitions. One such competition is Science Quest, and today we have reached the last tire, the finale. And today we have one such finalist, Vibhushit V. Kumbar of 4J, who is going to show his innovative idea to improve a certain field through a presentation. Vibhushit, the stage is all yours.
Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, good afternoon everybody. I am Vibhushit V. Kumbar from class 4J. Today I will be explaining in brief about my science idea which I have taken as part of agriculture. I have made a solar powered scare. I have made a terrace garden on my terrace, and I have noticed that so many birds and squirrels would come and damage the crops. Similarly, farmers also face these kind of issues. Birds cause 10 to 40% of crop damagement generally, up to 90% of crop damagement for some specific crops. So traditionally farmers use slings, manual and scarecrow. In slings and manual, we need manpower. Even in scarecrows, birds get used to it and start damaging the crops again. So I thought of making a solar powered scarecrow which runs on solar energy and it also roams. I brainstormed with my parents and my parents told you can go ahead with this idea. I have named my roaming scarecrow as Vardhana. Vardhana means to grow and to progress. This is how it looks from the front, this is how it looks from the side, and this is how it looks from the back. I have also made a field to check how it runs. So, I have made the field using cardboard, paper, paint, plants and glue. So, here are some images of my Vardhana in the field. We looked for a solar robot kit and we ordered it. When it came home, we took some small buckets and put all the main parts in the small pockets. First we built the main motor and the gas system. Next we built the scarecrow head. Next we attached the two solar panel connecting wires. Next we built the main drive wheels, hind wheels and scarecrow body using matchboxes, empty matchboxes, and paper and glue. So here are the parts of Vardhana. So I have also run it on my terrace. So this is how it runs on my terrace. So this is how Vardhana runs in the field. I surely want to improve it by adding railway kind of tracks, railway kind of fields so that it can take the turn smoothly. I want to add some noise, I want to add battery backup and waterproof coating, and I also want to make it big. I thank all my science teachers, science department and my parents for supporting me and making this science idea a very successful idea. Thank you.
Thank you, Vibhushit. That was a really great idea. I'm sure Vardhana is going to help a lot of people. Now let's have some fun. What is a word that describes a test of knowledge between teams or individuals? A quiz. That's right. We have a fascinating quiz by class 4 and 5 coming right up. I would like to request Anandita ma'am, Marilyn ma'am and Shweta ma'am to take over.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. Can you all give a big round of applause to all the presentations here, all the participants who have presented here. A bigger round of applause, please. Okay. Now, last Feb, I think it's almost 1 year we are closed, that is lockdown, and because of that we couldn't meet our students. But we are going to meet them today. That's exactly after 1 year. Whom are we going to meet? Any idea? Who do you think are the participants of science quiz? Yes, any idea? Louder, please. No, it's not finalist. We have given opportunity to those kids, those who did not come for 1 year now. Anyone? So the participants of science quiz are the students of class 4 and 5. So can we give them a big round of applause, please? So we have 4 teams, and how we have selected these children, these were the semi-final round. They have come till semi-final round in Science Quest, and we have picked them up for getting highest score. So we have divided them into 4 teams. Okay, so I'll be welcoming those children. So can you please give them a big round of applause? That is team 1. We have Homi Jahangir Baba team. Please welcome them with the claps. That is Daksh Nandan of class 5A, Advika Vijay Kamath of class 5B, Gauri S. Kugali of class 5C, and Anjushri of class 4H. Can you all wait for them? Yes. And we have second team, that is team Har Gobind Khurana, and the participants are Spurti K of class 5D, Abhinav S of class 5E, Mahika of class 5F, and Anaga Kumble of class 4D. A bigger round of applause. You have to motivate them. They have come after 1 year. Yes. You're feeling comfortable? Happy? Yes. Now we have the third team, that is team Vikram Sarabhai, and the participants are Siddhant Ashwin of class 5G, Shraddha Kamath of class 5H, Anushka Gupta of class 5I, and Aditi M of class 4J. A bigger round of applause again. And the last team, that is team Jagadish Chandra Bose. So we have Ishika Soni of class 5J, and Pranav A of class 5K, Sarthak Bansal of class 5E, and Aditi Ranjan of class 4B. Okay children, how are you feeling today? Nice? Energized? Did you like all the programs of Science Day today? You particularly enjoy Sir's speech. So can we give a big round of applause to Sir? Okay. Can you all see the presentation there? PPT? All see whether your mic is working? Yes? Okay. Okay. Okay, so I thought first let me introduce our children of class 4 and 5 for the science quiz, and then introduce myself and my teachers over here. So I'm Shweta Salin. I'll be conducting the quiz along with Miss Anandita. Namaste everyone. And we have Merlin, who will be making note of timings. And we have Kavya and Aarti ma'am, who is on the scoreboard. So can you all give us a big round of applause? Thank you. So let us start. Shall we start the science quiz? Yes. A big round of yes. Okay, so these are the team. Let us go to the names of the rounds, please. So we have 4 rounds. That's round 1, that is riddles. And round 2 will be who am I? And round 3 will be picture reading. Round 4, rapid fire. Okay, so let me explain you the rules. So round 1, there will be 8 questions. So each group will get 2 questions. So each question carries 10 points. If you don't know the answer, that question will be passed on to the next team. And the passed question will carry 5 marks. Is it clear?
Yes.
And to answer each question, you will get only 30 seconds. Absolutely correct. So are you all ready?
Yes.
Shall we begin? Okay. So the first question goes to team 1. This is team 1. This is team 2, team 3 and team 4. So I'll be calling like that. Okay. So the first question goes to team 1. If you see the striking earth, a tree you don't want to be under, it's something that lights the sky and is closely followed by thunder. What is it?
Lightning.
Is it right? Yes, they get 10 points. Please give them 10 points. Now the next question is, I'm often on a tripod. As I need a steady base, you look through me at the sky for a good look into space. Who am? So, is she right? Answer please. Yes, telescope. So can we give them 10 points please? Okay, and the third question goes to team 3. You see me in the air, but I'm not a kite. I'm what's created when water refracts light. Who am I? Your time has started.
Reflection.
Okay. You have time. Think. All of you can think. We'll go to the next team.
Rainbow.
Is it right? Okay, so team Jagdish Chandra Bose, they get 5 points bonus. Now the question 4 goes to team 4. This item helps you see things too small for the naked eye. Just insert them on a slide and then this will magnify it.
Ma'am, it's a microscope.
Is she right? So can we see the answer please? Yes, microscope. So 10 points for Homi Chandragir Baba team, am I right? And we have 10 points for second team. And we do not have points for the third team. We have how many points for fourth team? 15. So this was 4 questions. Now we have questions for audience. Are you all ready? I want gents teachers to answer this question. Anyone, okay? So the question is, I add lots of flavor and have many layers, but if you get too close, I'll make you cry. Gents teacher, please. If you know the answer, quickly run and come forward, you get a pen. Yes, Sarvaraj sir, louder. Onion. So please come forward and please give pen to sir so that he can give the pen to Sarvaraj sir. So can we give him a big round of applause? Louder. Okay. So now again it is round 1. The next question. The next question goes to team 1 again. Question please. You can navigate by the sun and stars, but there's another way that's the best. An item that uses magnetic field to point which way is north, south, east and west.
Compass.
Is he right? So let's see the answer and they get 10 points. Next question please. 6th question for team 2. I'm usually round, but I'm not a pizza base. I tell people something, but I don't have a mouth. I have numbers on me, but I'm not a phone. I have hands, but I don't have any fingers. I have a face, but I don't have any eyes. Who am I? Answer please. Okay, they get 10 points. The answer is right. Please clap for our children. Now let's go to team 3. Are you ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So question please. Use me well and I am everybody. Scratch my back and I'm nobody. Who am I? use me well, and I'm everybody, scratch my back, and I'm nobody. You have time, think. Time up, let's move to the next team. Yes, team, do you know? No, you don't know? This team, do you know? Do you know? No? You? Is it eraser?
No.
No? Any audience? Audience who can answer? Yes, ma'am. Please stand up and answer. Is it matchstick?
Yes.
Is it mirror?
No.
Okay, let's see the answer. It is mirror. Can we give a big round of applause, ma'am, please? Come running. Yeah, ma'am, take the pen from Selvarat sir, please. Congratulations. Okay, so next question goes to which team? Team 4. Are you ready? Question, please. It is impossible for me to be created, and I can never ever be destroyed. I am only change form. Who am I?
Is it energy?
Is it energy?
Yes.
All say, all agree? Let's see the answer. Energy, super, they get 10 points. So give them a big round of applause. Louder. Ma'am, can you please tell the scores?
For team 1, that is Homi J. Baba team, that is 20. For Harbin Govind Khurana team, it is 20. Sorry, but Vikram Sarabhai team yet to start, and JC Bose team 25 with 5 bonus points.
So congratulations to all of you. Now we have an audience question. I want chemistry teachers to answer this question, if you are ready. Okay, question please. What number do nickel and neon make when combined? Yes ma'am, you can do. 9, excellent. Can we give her a big round of applause? Sir, please give her a pen. Thank you. Now let's move on to round 2. Round 2 also, you have only 30 seconds to answer, and it will be taken by Ms. Anandita ma'am. Okay?
Good afternoon, everyone. Our energetic and passionate children, let us give them a big round of applause for their great performance. Yes. Next round is Who Am I? Related to their invention and scientist. Yes, there is an example for you. Let us see the slide. Yes, this is an example for you. You have to identify the image of scientist. What is that image? How can you get to know there is a word? That is a clue for you. That is gravity. And one more image is displaying that is related to that scientist's name. So you have to see both the things and you have to guess the scientist's name. Shall we go?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Isaac Newton, I guess all of you are knowing the answer.
Yeah.
Shows. Okay. So first in Homi Jahangir Bhabha, the question goes to them.
Archimedes.
Absolutely true. The answer is Archimedes. So 10 points for them. Yes. Next is Hargobind Khurana. You can see the image related to the word immunizations and the image is displaying on the screen.
Louis Pasteur.
Yes.
Michael Faraday.
No. You see the images as well as you see the word. A word is a clue for you. You try it. I know you are knowing.
Frederick Singh.
Next. Next.
Edward Jenner.
Exactly, the answer is Edward Jenner. Give them a big round of applause. Edward Jenner is a person who discovered the smallpox vaccine. Now the next question. 5 marks. Now
Nicholas Copernicus, he found out that the sun is in the middle of all the planets, and he discovered that Earth revolves around the sun.
Exactly correct answer. Yes, ma'am. 10 points. Shall we go next one? Yes. Next question goes to Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose.
It's Aryabhatta.
Correct?
Correct.
Absolutely correct. 10 points to Jagdish Chandra Bose. Yes, next round is audience question. Shweta ma'am, over to you.
Okay, again, ready? Audience, question please. Okay, can you guess the personality? Great personality. Who's this? Ma'am, I'll give that chance to someone else. I know with this very active parent. Yes, sir.
Is Sir Alexander Fleming.
Is he right? Yes. So can I see the answer, please? Yes, sir. So please. Okay, now let's move on to the round 3, and round 3 is what is?
Reading.
Yes, you have to read the picture again. Each question carries 10 points, and again time is 30 seconds. So,
Yes, next round is picture reading. There will be one picture displaying on the screen. You have to observe carefully, and you have to find out some mistakes are there on those pictures. First picture. Yes, carefully observe Team Homi Janaki Baba. What is the mistake in that picture? See the things on the table. There are many things kept. You have to find out 2 mistakes are there.
And the first mistake is June has only 30 days.
Okay, second one. Okay, time out. Yeah, can you identify the mistake?
Second mistake.
Yeah. But the score will be given to you because one question already you told correct. That is correct. June month does not have 31 days. It is only 30 days. The second mistake.
There is a phone, but then we have a telephone too.
No, not like that. Can you tell?
Ma'am, the coffee doesn't have any sleep.
Yes, that too. That's too correct. But one more you can see. No, it is correct. Phone is correct. Okay, no problem. Can you try? Yes. No, it is just a question you can answer if you identify. No marks. Yeah, I will move to audience. Audience, anyone, can you answer? Okay. Okay, let us see the answer. Ma'am, next slide. See, what is the mistake in that? See, why this question is given this year, we are virtually taking class. We all are knowing that different parts of that laptop. So there is a missing thing is that is space bar is missing. Okay, the question is given, the marks will be given to them, 10 marks. And next question goes to Hargobind Khurana. Observe these 4 glasses, and the water glasses are filled with different objects. Which glass contains the most water? Observe the diagram correctly. You can identify. Other teams, you can ready, you can observe it. Still time is there, you can try.
It's the ball.
No, it's time up. Correct answer is, yeah.
Ma'am, the pin.
Yeah, why can you tell me?
Ma'am, I don't know why, but I'm seeing a smallest object and it won't contain it. It's supposed to
Absolutely true, correct answer. Maybe the explanation I will tell you, because of the pin is the smallest mass among those things, other object apparently, so that definitely when it goes inside the glass, displaces less water. That is the reason the glass C has maximum amount of water. Okay, the question goes to, bonus marks goes to Vikram Sarabhai, 5 marks. Okay, ma'am, let us see the answer. Next slide. Yes, absolutely true. 10 marks, ma'am. Next question goes to Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose. Can you find 2 inaccuracies in this picture?
Ma'am, there is no December 32.
Exactly, yes. Other one, can you identify? You will be given marks, but can you identify one more inaccuracy?
The traffic signal does not have the red light.
Exactly. Good observer. Traffic signal does not have red light. Okay, one more is there. So let us see what are the. Okay, there was one more mistake. Well done, children. Now next to Shweta ma'am, audience question.
Thank you, Anandita ma'am. So we have finished round 1, we have finished round 2, and we have finished round 3. And now it is the question for audience. Question please. How many circles do you see? Who will tell me the correct answer? You have to see exactly how many circles are there. Yes? 10? Yes, Vinayak? 8? Okay. Anyone who get it right? 9? You're right? So shall we see the answer? How many circles? 1. Yeah, there are 9 circles and the correct answer. He has told the correct answer, sir. Can you please give him the pen and can you all give him a big round of applause, please? Okay, now it is the last round, that is called as rapid questions. Okay, so each team will get 1 minute to answer questions. Okay, so I want any one of you to answer, the others can help him answer the question instead of pulling mic each other. Okay, so each question carries 10 points. If you know, you tell the answer. If you don't know, you say next, pass. Because there's no time. So if you answer all 15 questions in 1 minute, you get 150 points. Okay, if you don't answer, you do not get points. So each question carries 10 points. And in 1 minute, how many questions? Yeah. Yes, you do get. So, out in 1 minute, if they answer 7 questions, they get 70 points. If they answer 4 questions, you get 40 points. But there are maximum questions only 15 questions. So if you answer all 15, you get 150 points. So we have different question set. Okay, question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4. It will not be fair if I don't call you people and ask you to pick up this. I want one from each team to come forward and pick up a number. So and I will take the question from that set. Okay. Quick. Okay. Slowly. Okay. You read the number? Number 2. So number 2. Number 3.
Number 4.
Number 1.
Number 4.
So I'll start with this team and I'm going to pick up the question set 2. So are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is group 2. Yes? Okay. So it's group 2 and we have 15 questions. You have to just answer. If you don't know, you should say no. I mean pass. Okay? I'm not going to wait. Ma'am, Merlin, ma'am, are you ready? We have 1 minute. When you say start, I'm going to start. The first person to go to space from India.
Rakesh Sharma.
Boiling of milk at low temperature to kill the germs without killing the nutrients is called.
Pasteurization.
Very good. What is the fourth state of matter?
Plasma.
Which type of simple machine is playground slide?
Inclined plane.
Which vitamin can strengthen our eyesight?
Vitamin A.
Which is the lightest element in the periodic table?
Hydrogen.
Very good. The pigment that determines the color of the blood.
Hemoglobin.
A planet that is famous for its big red spot.
Jupiter.
What is the gravity of Moon as compared to the Earth?
1/6.
People who forecast weather.
Meteorologist.
The waste which decomposes and mixes to the soil. Very good. A force which opposes the moving body.
Friction.
Very good. Which specific microbes can be killed by using antibiotic? This last question you can answer. Which specific microbes can be killed by using antibiotic? Done. How many questions they have answered? So they have answered 12 questions right, and the point for team 1 goes 120 points. Now what's your number? 3. So you get question 3. Ma'am, it's 3? Okay. So, ready?
Yes.
Ma'am, ready? Yeah. The first person to go to space from the world. The spacecraft used by the astronauts to reach first time to the moon. Joining of two bones with a muscle is called. Well, how much time does the sunlight take to reach the earth? The flightless bird found in the poles. Okay, who discovered X-ray? An inert gas that is used as a gas balloon. Audience, please. Okay, will you listen to them? Which type of simple machine is doorknob? Of the freezing point of water. The instrument used to measure the total distance covered by the vehicle. No. Which part of the comet always points away from the sun? Okay, so let's see how many questions they have answered. 5 questions they have answered correct and they get 50 points. Okay, what's your number? 1. So let's bring question number 1. Are you all ready? Ma'am, ready? Yes. What is the standard unit of temperature? The pigment which determines the skin color of human.
Melanin.
The process of transition of a substance directly from solid to gas.
Sublimation.
Which simple machine will you use to lift water from well?
Pulley.
Light year is the unit of.
Light.
The instrument is used to measure the air pressure. The mineral which helps to make your bone and teeth strong. Who discovered the stethoscope? Lungs and hearts are protected by a structure of bones. The window sleep of animals is known as. The splitting of white light through a prism is called. What is the body's natural ability to resist certain diseases?
Immunity.
Very good. Which rock is used to make a blackboard? Which rock is used to make a blackboard? Slate. Correct. We consider that. How many questions our team 3 have answered? 8 questions and they get 80 points. Can we give them a big round of applause, please? Now let's go to the last one and your number? 4. Ma'am, it's 4? Yes. So ready? Are you ready? Let's start. Materials which do not allow to conduct heat. Which pigment gives the leaves its green color? The volcanic rock which floats in water. Who invented the crescograph? What is the study of roots called? Which nutrients plays an essential role in muscle building? Which scientist proposed the 3 laws of motion?
Newton.
Earth is surrounded by layers of gases collectively called. The standard unit of measurement for energy is? No. The phenomenon on Earth is influenced by the moon. Which phenomenon? No. A vitamin which helps to clot the blood. Okay, so how many questions? 6 questions they have answered and they've got 60 points. Let us give them all a big round of applause. This is the first time they are attending the quiz conducted in school. So we have selected those students who never been on the stage. So can you give them a big round of applause, please? Louder. And it's time to know what is the score and who is the winner. Ma'am, can you please tell the score?
So, children, are you ready for the scores?
Yes.
Okay. So, team 2, that is our Govind Khurana team, they scored 70. Well done, children. Team 4, that is JC Bose team, they got 105. So, the runners-ups are Vikram Sarabhai team, although they started late, but they reached. So it is 110 for them, and the winners are Homi J. Baba team with 160 points.
So which team is the winner? Can you please stand up? Can we all give them a big round of applause? All are winners, but we have to select the best. Who is the runner-up? A big round of applause for them. And those 2 teams who really perform well, stand up. Stand up. That's okay. Can we give them a big round of applause? Thank you, dear audience. Thank you, dear children. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Biological unit of a known organism. In other words, cells are building blocks of a living organism. To know more about it, we have a great song written on cells. Written by Durga of 8K, music composition and sung by Sanjay of 8K. Let's watch the video. Dance is such a great way to make any event more memorable, don't you think? So we have another thrilling dance performance coming right up, and it's on nature. Akshara of 4K, come up on the stage and cast your magic.
Yeah.
ancient present, and maintain everything we get from our Mother Earth.
A great way to spread the message of saving nature, and as Sir said, saving Mother Earth. Now, I would like to hand over the mic to Lakshmi ma'am and Srivali ma'am for the prize distributions.
The occasion of National Science Day, I kindly request our Academic Director Sir to escort Dr. T.V. Ramchandra Sir on the stage for the prize distribution ceremony. I also request our Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am and Headmistress Ma'am onto the stage.
Magnolia from the Director. AECS, any teacher has to? Yeah, please come. Yeah. Okay, I'll move to the BGS National Public School. Yashashvi Patnaik. She's not there. I'll take it home. Aravsha. Aravsha will receive the prize from the director. No, director, right? Tell you. Rutvik Hegde. Okay, Deepa. Please give the prize. You stand there, okay. Come, stand here. You should not cover. Come here. Are you still nervous? Huh? Take some time for me to Yeah. This is the participant certificate. You can give it to principal so that she can. Okay, Rajashri. Please come. Rajashri madam. Oh, she is on the way. She was sitting somewhere. Yeah, please. Next time, I think you will come with a big battalion. Sure. Okay, next we will move to the one more school, New Horizons School, Dipanshu Pandey. If I give energy mix to him, sir, leave Kodi. Madam Kodi. Okay, next one is Venkatachalam. teacher ಇಲ್ವಾ? Okay, we will move to Purna Pramati. I request Raghu to come to the dais. So we start with youngest kid. Who is the youngest in Purna Pramati group? Rashmi, no? I wanted her to tell that. Come. You should come, Ravi Rashmi. You received from principal the certificate and come. You can stand anywhere. That's the advantage of being small. Anand Krishna, Ragman. Yogesha. You tell whether you read properly from now onwards, okay? Okay, team, Rashmi Kattan team. It's a team. All the best. Okay, thank you. Next we'll move to Christensen School, Bangalore. Sanjana Madhavan. Sanjana. Okay, all the best. Okay, Sashika, your teacher has come. Sanjana, yeah. Now, our Vidyanjali Primary School, boss has to come to the dais. Not just videography, you have to come to the dais. Uma Shankar. Okay, Yashaswini and Vaishnavi. Please come to the dais before Uma Shankar reaches the place. Now the certificate to the participation, sir, you please give. Yeah, you look at that. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. So, yes, our job is done.
Raman Young Science Innovative Award is given to commemorate the discovery of the Raman effect on 28th Feb 1928 to all the children studying in the standards of classes 3rd to 10th. There are 3 categories or levels, and the winner of each level gets a cash prize of rupees 20,000. And we have a student of class 10 of BGS NPS who has won the first prize in the senior level. May I invite Master Vinayak Prabhu of class 10B, who has won the first prize of the Raman Young Scientist Innovative Award. And our school has won the School Science Excellence Award on 29th November 2020. May I request Anupama ma'am to come on stage for receiving the School Excellence Award. Innovation in Science Pursuit for Inspired Research, or INSPIRE scheme, is one of the flagship programs of Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. The objective of the scheme is to target 1 million original ideas or innovations rooted in science and societal applications to foster culture and creativity in our children. And I'm very proud to announce that we have Prajwal NH of class 8 and Rushan also of class 8 who have won a cash award of rupees 10,000 in the district level.
The science department is a very dynamic department, and the pandemic has not stopped the science department from carrying out its activities. So we come to the winners of the Science Quest, which is today a culmination of the 4 rounds. That is we had the MCQs, audio-visual rounds, and of course the innovative round. And let me call out the winner, level 1, class 4 and 5. Vibhushit V. Kumbar, which is Vardhan, that is a solar scarecrow which is mobile. A huge round of applause, teachers, audience. We have for level 2, class 6 and 7, R. Krishnakant, 7G, farmer friendly weather forecast app, which can work in 3 languages. Level 3, class 8, Varunavi V. Kumbar, Vyapara app for helping farmers. She's from class 8. Audience, I cannot hear the clapping, please. Huge round of applause. Level 4, class 9 and 10, Abhinav Reddy, 9F, gas leakage detection sensor, which switches off the regulator. Absolutely needed in all households. And we have level 5, class 11 and 12, Sujay Jaykumar, class 11, Smart Flood Shield, water absorbent material during floods. We also have Ms. Anupama participating in Raman Young Science Innovator Award. Anupama, please. School Excellence Award it is. Yeah, divine hand and applause here. And now we have the next most awaited event. So we had the quizzing today. A very huge round of applause for all the participants of the quizzing team. So let us call on stage. Let us have the second prize winners. We have team Vikram Sarabhai with Siddharth Ashwin, Shraddha Kamat, Anushka Gupta, Aditi M. The second prize goes to team Vikram Sarabhai. Jahangir Baba with Daksh Nandan, Advika Vijay, Gauri S. Kugali and Anjushri Pugar. Would like to also see team Hargobind Khurana and team Jagdish Chandra Bose also coming onto the stage. You gave a tough fight, children. You gave a tough fight.
Gauri.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತೆನಾ ನೋಡು 1 second after that.
All science teachers.
Quickly come onto the stage, all science teachers.
Ready?
Thank you, children. Thank you, teachers. Over to Valli now.
Well, you have already heard Prajwal NH of Class 8 speak. And I would like to just read a gist of the awards that he has won. He has won the Innovative Smart Water Tap that was awarded as the topmost innovations under the Science and Technology category in the national level Gandhian challenge conducted by Atal. He has also created a social conscious mobile app that helps defeat the spread of the disease and raise awareness in local communities and given strength. Well, he has a whole huge list of it. So, yeah.
Thank you, mentors, and congratulations to all the winners. We are coming to the end of this magnificent event, and now I would like to request our respected Vice Principal Ma'am to propose the vote of thanks.
Jai Shri Gurudev, very good afternoon to one and all present here. I will keep it very short. The beautiful thing about science is that whether we believe it or not, it's always true. With the divine blessings of our Jagat Guru, I take this occasion to wish each one of you thank you, our gratitude for making this occasion a beautiful one and a successful one. Dr. T.V. Ramchandran sir, a very close member of our BGS family, who has given his message, may it be grandparents, teachers or parents, all that we need to do is educate our children with knowledge. Right knowledge to be percolated through for the right purpose. Being a BE graduate, sir has taken it so seriously and is working for each one of our good. So, thank you sir for gracing this occasion. We are really, I hope we take this message and we will definitely do the needful. We also thank the associate researchers, Ms. Vani, Ms. Sinsi and Ms. Ashulabha for being a part of the research work and also taking it forward with Ramchandra sir. Thank you, each one of you. Our thanks goes to all parents. Without your cooperation, we couldn't have given such a big show today, besides the pandemic. Your support has helped our children learn from home through your guidance. Thank you once again. Our thanks goes to our academic director sir for being inspirational, motivating us all through, and also to our beloved principal ma'am. Our thanks goes to the participants from the Vibgaya, the vibrant colors that you added to this show through the invocation song. It was required, it was positive, and the program went on very smoothly. Though it was a little longer, but we never realized that we are hungry. Thank you, Science Department, for making this show happen. A special thanks to all the school principals and the teachers who have joined us in celebration of National Science Day. Thank you one and all. Special thanks to Pratiksha Sheth, who was excellent. She's an excellent orator. You would have learned today by the way she presented. Thank you, Pratiksha, once again. Thank you one and all present here.
Of tomorrow. With this note, this is me, Pratiksha Sheth, signing off. Thank you.
I request